I just want to take a short video for you today to show you what to do in the event of a non-start with the intake pipe disconnected. This refers to when you're using the JLM diesel intake extreme clean toolkit. So in the instructions it will tell you to remove the intake pipe after the intercooler. So air flows this way, so it's this lower pipe going straight into the intake manifold. So we've disconnected this, but the mass airflow meter is still connected on this vehicle, and this will cause a non-start, and we'll show you. We'll start this engine up. And you'll notice there the vehicle tries to start, but it cuts straight out. So in the event of this happening on any vehicle when you're using the extreme intake clean kit, disconnect your airflow meter, or MAF sensor as we call it. So disconnect the MAF sensor, and then we'll go and restart it again. So this is a Renault based engine, 2 litre DCI, is found in a Nissan Qashqai here. So it's the same for all your Vauxhalls and Nissans and Renaults with this same engine. So there you go, engine's now running, sitting idling, and you'll be able to attach the intake toolkit now to the intake and carry out your intake clean. So nice little tip for you. It's only necessary to disconnect the MAF sensor, and that's exactly why it mentions it in the instructions.